welcome to this platform. My name is Agava Gerald, taking you through this question. The question goes, solve the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 by use of completing squares. This is a quadratic equation, and the question is very direct. We're supposed to use completing squares. Now, one of the requirements for completing squares is before you complete squares, the coefficient of x squared must be positive 1. So we write the question, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now look at the coefficient of x squared. Is it positive 1? Yes. So after finding that it is positive 1, then we are good to go. So what are the conditions for completing the squares? We have to identify the coefficient of x. We have two x's there, one with an x power 2, another with an x power 1. This one is the one with an power 1. Now, we are going to get half of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 5. But the rule for completing squares says we have to identify half of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 5, and half of 5, of means times a half times 5, which gives us 5 out of 2. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write x, this x here, but without a power 2 now. There is a plus, write a plus. Then half of the coefficient of x, is 5 out of 2. Close the bracket, the whole bracket squared. Then minus this half of the coefficient of x squared. 5 out of 2 squared. This is always a must. Minus is equal to plus 6 is equal to 0. Then let's simplify. X plus 5 out of 2 squared minus 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is a 25. 2 squared is 4. So 5 out of 2 squared means 5 out of 2 times 5 out of 2. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Now these two numbers, we're going to take them the other side. When they cross, they change signs. It means we're going to have x plus 5 out of 2 squared is equal to, this is a negative, when it crosses it becomes a positive 25 out of 4. This is a positive, when it crosses it becomes a what? A negative. But it can be out of 1. Any whole number can be written out of 1. So now, we can simplify again. X plus 5 out of 2 squared is equal to, I look for the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So that's why I write a 4 here. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 25 is 25. Minus 4 divided by 1 is a 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So we are going to write x plus 5 out of 2 squared is equal to 1 out of 4. But remember, our target is to look for x. So what do? We're supposed to make x the subject. And how do we make x the subject? Since we have a power 2, since we have a squared, we're going to take the square root both sides. Square root here, the square root here. What you do on the left hand side is what you do on the right hand side. So we're going to have this one cancels with this. We're going to have x plus 5 out of 2 is equal to, the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2. But remember, the square root of a number is two-sided, therefore we write a positive and negative half. Now afterwards, we have to take this 5 out of 2 this side. It is a positive, when it comes this side, it becomes a negative. So we are going to have x is equal to negative 5 out of 2 plus or minus a half. So our x has two sides. It's a positive or it's also a negative. So we shall have x is equal to, we're going to first of all add, because we're saying it is a plus or a minus. So I'll have a minus 5 out of 2 plus 1 out of 2. This gives us, because we have the same denominator, this will be 2, same LCM. This will be negative 5 plus 1. We shall have now negative 4 divided by 2, which gives us a negative 2. This is the first value of x if we are adding. We can also subtract. This will give us negative 5 out of 2 minus a half, which gives us negative 6 out of 2, which gives us negative 3. Therefore, x is negative 2 and x is negative 3. We have used what we are calling the method of completing squares. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy.